In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to write professional GitHub documentation in seconds using Claude. Writing a high-quality README file is often the most tedious part of software development, but it is also the most important for getting your project noticed. To get started, you first need to gather all your relevant project information. This includes your source code, specific feature notes, or any technical requirements you have documented. Open up a new chat in Claude and paste all of that context directly into the message box. Because Claude has a very large context window, you can provide it with multiple files or even entire scripts to ensure it understands exactly how your project works. Once your data is pasted, type a clear prompt asking Claude to write a detailed readme.md file in Markdown format for the project. Claude will analyze your code logic and automatically generate essential sections like installation guides, usage examples, and contribution guidelines. It understands the standard structure that developers expect to see on GitHub, so it will organize everything with proper headings and code blocks. If the initial result is too brief, you can ask it to expand on certain features or include a license section. This workflow saves hours of manual drafting and ensures your documentation is always accurate and well formatted. It is the smartest way to keep your repositories looking professional without the extra effort.